Hi friends, welcome to Diksuchi Trading Strategies for 10th January 2022. Before starting it, I would like to say thank you for everybody because almost all the viewers who are watching my videos and who are listening to my content, they are started giving the suggestions, also the requests. They are sending some requests. So with this, I am more confident that I can give you the best input so that you can enjoy the output. Okay. Also would like to say that last week whatever the suggestions, the stocks whichever I suggested, almost 90% of the stocks have met their target, even in intraday as well as in swing. So that is also another good news for me, so that I can give you the best stocks to trade for intraday as well as for the swing. I hope you definitely follow my strategies. You definitely will follow my instructions while trading and enjoy the benefits. Here I am suggesting more number of stocks. It's not that all the stocks can be traded. At least one or two trades if you take as an intraday, definitely that is going to generate a good profits for you. Sometimes if market conditions, because the investments are subject to market risk, so if market situations or conditions are not supporting, then you can little modify your entry as well as the stop loss and target. So of course, by hearing these week videos, you might have got some experience how to modify them, if at all you have modified. If not, also not a problem, because 90% of the stocks have generated profits for us. So of course, everywhere you can't expect the 100% results, but expecting 90% is difficult. But our channel has given that opportunity to get 90% of the results positive. With this, let me continue the stocks for Monday. First, come for the short-term investments. Last time the ICICI Bank and also Aditya Birla Fashions have generated a very good profits. Whoever has exited on Friday, then they might have got the more than our targeted price to exit. So this week you can go for Indus Towers, also the Grasim Industries. When come for Indus Towers, so entry you take it when it is touching 261.80. The target is 264.50, almost 2 rupees 30 paisa there is a change in an average. Whereas stop loss 259.75. For Grasim Industries, it is 1807 is your entry. The target is 1934. So almost more than 100 rupees you can expect on this. And your stop loss is 1722. Hope these two also will give us the best returns in the next week. Let me go on to the intraday. I found almost the 5 stocks which I am understanding and I am observing and I am suggesting these may give a good return on tomorrow's trade. First is Sona BLW Precision. The entry you can take around 736. I have mentioned 736.20. Even if it is 736.30 or 40 also, you can take a trade. Target is 744 rupees 30 paisa. Almost 8 rupees profit you can expect on it. The stop loss is 730.75. REC Limited 136.70. Better you try to take at the same price. And the target is 137.50. Of course, it is less than 1 rupee, but if you buy more number of quantity, then definitely it will give a good profit for you. The stop loss is 136.15, which is very nearer to the entry. So if market opens with positive note, then definitely REC Limited is going to give you immediately reach our target. And Notco Pharma Limited, the entry is 920, whereas 924.80 is your target. In an average it is 5 rupees, nearly it is 5 rupees profit you can expect on one quantity. And the stop loss is 916.75. I hope if you understand the market conditions and you can take the trades, definitely our stop loss may not hit. Definitely you are going to receive your targets. Then Indus Towers 261.75 is your entry and 263.75. Here also you have only 2 rupees of profit. But the 2 rupees also very quickly you can get once the market opens in a positive note. The stop loss is 260.70. The last stock which I can suggest for the day, that is Emami Limited. So 517 is your entry, 520.35, almost 3 rupees profit you can expect on this trade, and stop loss is 514.75. So I hope you can clearly understand the entry times, and if market opens in positive note, definitely our targets are going to be reached in a short period. At the end of this video, as usual, let me tell you the support and resistance. So when come for Nifty, the support is 16,980 and 17,700. The first support is at 17,700. If miss out, then 16,980 is your support. Whereas in resistance, it is 17,905. It moves above this price, then there is a scope to reach even 18,050 rupees, almost 100 and change points. Bank Nifty, the first support where you can expect is 37,425. If still it moves down, then it may reach to 37,114, where there is a chance of taking the support of this level, and it may start moving up. Resistance, it will reach 38,130. If moves above this, then there is a scope for us to understand it may move up to 38,530. So friends, this is what for Monday's trade. I wish you a very happy, profitable day. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.